Welcome to the Lower Providence Community Library's tutorial page. Today we are going to learn how to use our self-checkout machines here in the library. So to get started, we're going to walk up to the machine and we are going to hit start, and it's going to ask for your barcode number. And what we're going to do, I have mine on my keychain, you're going to hold it up towards the scanner. You can see the scanner light on the table, but hold it up, don't drag it across the table. And you'll hear it beep when it goes. So there we go. And the screen will tell you if you have any fines, if you have anything waiting for you, if you have anything overdue. So what we want to do is we're going to hit checkout, and it's going to load, and you'll see a bunch of stuff. If you already have items out, it'll show and you can renew from here. But what we're going to do is I'm going to scan my book, and I'm going to do it the same way I did my card. I'm going to hold it till it beeps, and there it goes, and it will appear in yellow. So there we are. And then I'm going to hit continue. And so it's going to give me some options. I can have no receipt. It can email me the receipt if your email is in your account. You can print, or you can actually have both. Today I'm just going to hit print so that you can see. And you'll see it'll pop right out. And then I'm going to hit done. And that is how we check out using our self-checkout machines. Thanks. Have a great day.